Yeah, welcome back again to DN TV. My people, you know why President of Uganda, Kaguta Yoweri Museveni, aliweza kupatiwa $53 million equipment from Russia? Do you know why? Kwa sababu anataka kutangaza vita baina ya Uganda na Kenya. Yesterday, aliweza kuon Kenya, akaweza kusema kuwa if he don't, kama wa Kenya hawatapatia Yoweri Museveni an Indian Ocean, kutaweza kuwa na vita. My people, tutaitikia kweli?
This equipment, all of them are good. The obstacle clearer, the trench digger, the other machines like the boats, and then the workshops and the coastal station. They are all very important. And what the Russians have done is Okoroza, you people. Okoroza is one of our words to make somebody taste something so that you can see, you can want more. Because like the trench digger, it makes work so easy. Our relationship with the Russians is not just defense, security and so on, it is also ideological and strategic. That's why I had to go from the campaign to come here, because I came from very far. I came from Karamoja, and I had to go to Vaga to be with my Christians, and to come here to be with my international fraternal comrades, the Russians.
I just want to take this moment to thank you very much for accepting to come and officiate at this function. We also want to thank you for the strategic guidance and leadership that you give to our ministry and the Uganda People's Defense Forces. And thank you for your